Good morning, students. In last class, we saw that what is asexual and what is sexual reproduction in plant. Seeds on which new plant develop means that is we called as sexual reproduction. Apart from the seed, any other part on which new plant develop means that is we called asexual reproduction. Now we are going to study about detail about in a sexual reproduction from lesson 5. Okay, ma? That is sexual reproduction. Seeds produced from a flower through the process of pollination and fertilization. That is the process we call sexual reproduction. That is sexual reproduction. It is going as in a step-by-step process. The first process we called pollination. The second process we called fertilization. Okay, ma. So let's enter into the part. Sexual reproduction. Okay, so it is involved in that in a flower, that is seeds want to develop. Before that, where its seeds develop, it develops from the fruit where it is onwards develop, it develop from that in a flower. So how flower it is produced in a fruit and seed, likewise we are going to study. Okay, ma. So you see that is we are enter into the part what is that in a parts of the flower we want to know. Okay, ma. So what are the parts of the flower? You see that is in a it is occur in a four whorls. Whorl means four layers. Okay, ma. So layer means the first we saw that means this is the first part. Okay, this is the first part, calyx or chapel. It is outermost part. When it is in a develop, it is a protective cover. Okay, ma. So that is we called as in a calyx or chapel. It is a outermost whorl. Okay, so after second whorl, second layer, how it is arranged means we remove it also the same manner only. After we have to arrange means that is in a chapel. Okay, so chapel after petal. Okay, ma. So petal it is otherwise we called as in a gorilla. Pronounce as it in a gorilla. So yourself also say as in a many times, that's only possible. Say along with me, gorilla. Okay, so that is a corolla. It is otherwise called as in a petal. It is colorful part of the flower. What's the purpose? It is sucker means it attract that in insects. Okay, so that purpose only for pollination. It want to attract that in a insect, so that only it is occur. Okay, ma. The third part we called as an androecium. ANDROE. Okay, andro. Dro, how you want to pronounce? DROE. Okay, OE here pronounced as an O. Androecium. Or otherwise it is called as a stamen. How it is occurred? You see that in yellow color part? Yes, Dama. That is the androecium. The next one is a gynoecium. Gynoecium is the last part, inner part. Androecium is a male reproductive part of a flower. Okay, so it is produce that in a pollen grain. Okay, what is the function? It is produce a pollen grain. So next, fourth whorl, that is an inside center part of the flower, it is having in a gynoecium. It is otherwise called as a pistil. Okay, ma. The center it is having that. Okay, ma. So it is in a center. And the gynoecium it is otherwise called as a pistil. Okay, it is produce a ovule. What is the function? Produce a ovule. In this part, ovule is there. Okay, produce a ovule. Okay, ma. This is the parts of the flower. What are the parts of the flower? Say along with me. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. So why I am saying this order is this order wise only arranged. Chapel, petal, stamen, pistil. Chapel, petal, stamen, pistil. Okay, ma. But both name you want to know that. Okay, ma. So next one. what is the function it is doing, we want to know, so first one, chapel we said, it is otherwise called as a calyx. Okay, so it is a green color part of the flower. When it is in a bud stage, ஒரு bud form ஆகிறப்ப, ஃப்ளாருக்கு முன்னாடி bud form ஆகிறப்ப உள்ளே இருக்கிற அந்த ஃப்ளாருக்கு it is give that in a protection. Okay ma. The next one is a petal. Petal is the colorful part of the flower. So if you want to see means you want to remove that in a chapel, after it is possible to remove that in a petal as in a easy manner. Okay, next one, that is in a androecium. This is a third part of the third part arranged. It is the male part of the flower. What is the part of the flower? It is the male on உறுப்பு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. So it is a male part of the flower. So what it is having, you see that it is a anther, it is a filament, anther filament. Why it is given as in a 4 it is ma? Because it is having as an arrangement. One, it is arranged in a tip. Some flowers it are arranged in a tip. Some flowers the stamen, the filament, it is attached in the center of the anther. Some plants it is attached in a center, but it is in a anther is a long. Here anther is a so big long. Inside it is having in a pollen grain. What it is having na? So இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஃப்ளார் ஹைபிஸ்கஸ், அதாவது செம்பருத்தி பிளான்ட் எடுத்து, ஸோ இந்த பார்ட்டை வந்து எடுத்துட்டு இதோட இந்த ஆந்தரை மட்டும் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி உள்ள இது பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பவுட்ரு மாதிரி இருக்கும். தட் பவுட்ரு ஒன்லி வி மென்ஷன் as a pollen grain. ஓகேம்மா. So next one, it is in a gynoecium. It is otherwise called as a pistil. So what is the structure it is having? You see that first in a mouth like that in a structure, that is a stigma. Then long slender tube like this structure, that is we called a strile. Okay ma. So this bulb like structure, you see that in a bulb like structure, this is a bulb like structure. This bulb like structure we called a ovary. Inside having in a small beads like structure we called a ovule. Okay, so ovary, it's a reproductive organ. Okay ma. So it is inside, it is developed that in a ovule. Inside develop that in a ovule. Inside develop that in a ovule. Why I am saying likewise means because it is a important. This part only it is converted into seed. Ovule only converted into seed. Where it is present ovule? It is present in a gynoecium. The next one, it is in a types of flower. Okay, so you see that here it is in a what's the difference you see? Yeah, do you able to see that in anything? Insect is sitting. That's not it is. That is one more organism. So flower and what is that in a difference you see means here. Check that here both it is having it is in a chapel. Both it is having in a petal. Here both it is having in a gynoecium, but androecium here having a no. Why it is means because any one part alone it is having means that is we called as an that is male or female. Any one part alone it is present in a flower means gynoecium present or androecium present. Likewise any one part alone having means that is we called as a unisexual flower. Both it is having means that is we called as a bisexual flower. Okay, so one more category we are able to say how it is means all the 4 part it is present means that is we called a complete flower. This is a complete flower. Okay ma, this is a complete flower because here present a chapel, petal, that is androecium, gynoecium. Okay ma, but here it is missing that in a one part. Among that in a 4 missing a one part, so it is we called as in a incomplete flower. Okay, this is a incomplete flower. So let's do that in activity 4. How it is, you want to collect that in all the 5 flowers. How it is hibiscus, pumpkin, rose, coconut and jasmine. So all that one you have to collect. So how you are able to identify means you have to see from that here onwards. Hibiscus how it is, you have to check it in a both male and female present. Yes, it is present. So it is a bisexual. It is a complete flower because 4 oral is present, so only. So pumpkin you have to collect means it is having asana among that in any one part only. That is, it is present in a male plant or female plant. Okay ma. That is in a male flower means that is it is present in that in a any one only. Androecium or gynoecium. What flower you collect, you write here, so that only I leave that one. Here it is in a unisexual, so it is a one part is missing, so it is a incomplete. Likewise in a rose, both male and female it is present, so it is a bisexual, it is a complete flower. Likewise coconut, male and female reproductive part is present, it's a bisexual, so all the 4 part it is present, so it is a complete flower. Likewise you have to check it and after write it this one in a tabular column. Okay ma. So next one we have to enter into that in a pollination. What is the pollination? This is the first step in a sexual reproduction. So what is that means? You see that here the pollen, it is produced from here to, it is want to transfer from that in a stigma of that in a ovary. Okay, and the to stigma the pollen want to transfer because it want to reach that in a ovule. That's process only we called a pollination. You see that self pollination means the same flower, bisexual plant it is occur, that is it is happening in that in a same flower and which pollen it transform into that in a ovary, sorry, stigma. Here in a cross pollination, one plant anther it is transferred to the another plant of that in a gynoecium, that is in a stigma, that is we called a cross pollination.